Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a website on Bluehost using your existing domain. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a website in Bluehost using an existing domain. In my case, my existing domain is registered on Hostinger. This is it, benstutorial.com. Now, to create a website in Bluehost using this existing domain, first log in to your Bluehost account, then go to Websites, click on Add Website. Here you can add or create your website using WordPress. You can also do it by transferring an existing WordPress website, which means a backup, or creating an empty website. For this video, I will go with an empty website. Click on Continue. Give your new site a name, for example, Hostinger domain site. Click on Continue. Here, fill in your existing domain name. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. Click on Continue. They are now creating me my empty website. And just like that, my new website using my existing domain is created. Now, an important step that you should do in order to let your existing domain name provider know about Bluehost is to go to your domain name provider, in my case, Hostinger. So I will go to Domains. Next to my domain name, I will click on Manage. Here, what I'm looking for is something called name servers. Sometimes they call it just NS, which stands for name servers. So look for anything related to DNS or name servers. Click on it like that. Here below name servers, click on change name servers. Here, these two name servers are the ones are the ones I should use if I connect my domain from Hostinger to also Hostinger. But in the case of Bluehost, you should select change name servers and delete the existing name servers and write those two name servers, which are ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. Click on Save. As you see, name servers changed and they are changed to the Bluehost ones. And this process can take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to new name servers. This means that this name server change requires a little bit of waiting time, up to 24 hours, to fully connect with Bluehost. Now, let's go back to Bluehost, give my website a visit, refresh. As you see, I have an invalid SSL certificate. Here, if your website is not shows an SSL certificate error, don't worry. This is normal, because what you to force installing SSL certificate, just go back to hosting, then go to cPanel, then scroll down to security, yes, click on SSL TLS, and here below install and manage SSL for your site, click on manage SSL sites. Scroll down here, select your domain name from this list, in my case, benstutorial. Click on autofill by domain. A new data will be automatically filled here. Scroll down again and click on install certificate. As you see, you have successfully configured SSL. The SSL website is now active and accessible via HTTPS on these domains. Let's give it a visit again. Here, when you see this message, this means that you've completed the process. Now, your existing domain is added on Bluehost. Your existing domain provider knows about Bluehost with those two name servers, and also the SSL is completely configured. So here, all you need to do is to wait a moment, be patient here, keep refreshing your page. Also, you can check accessing your website from different device, for example, your smartphone. Also, different internet provider, for example, your smartphone data, and keep refreshing. From my experience, this should work with you for or within the first hour. Sometimes it can take longer, but don't worry. And sometimes even my website was fully connected in just 10 minutes. So this depends on the internet. Now after 10 minutes, if I refresh this same website, I can see that my existing domain was fully connected to my website on Bluehost. And this is how to create a website on Bluehost using an existing domain. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.